Today, I'm showing you how to unlock a hidden gem inside your browser that's going to change the way you watch videos forever, and it takes less than 30 seconds. First things first, if you don't have the Turn Off the Lights extension installed, what are you doing? Go to the Chrome Web Store, search Turn Off the Lights, and hit that Add to Chrome button. Seriously, go grab it. Next, click right on the gray lamp icon in the top right corner, and select the menu item options. In the sidebar, click on the Advanced Options tab and scroll down until you see the Video Toolbar section. Enable the checkbox. Now, go back to the YouTube video. When you move your mouse over the video player, the Video Toolbar will appear at the top. If you click on the text Normal, you'll see it change to another video filter. Click again on Grayscale and you'll see a different filter, Sepia. You can adjust the effect using the slider bar. Click on the text and you'll see it change to Invert, then Contrast, followed by Saturate. Each filter includes a slider bar, allowing you to adjust the effect to your preference. Click again to see Rotate, then Brightness, and finally, it cycles back to normal. I applied this on a static frame, but it also works while the video is playing. The filter effect is applied instantly to the video content. As you can see in this demonstration video, it shows the saturate filter applied to the video content. When I change it to the Rotate filter, you can see a different effect. And the same goes for the brightness filter. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more hidden internet hacks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.